Special thanks our friends at Charmast who were nice enough to send us their 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. This is a C2046S, nothing around the edges of the box, and the back doesn't really have much information either, just the color and the sticker. Let's open this on up and take a look at this power bank. Open it from the top. Oh, look at all this. I see more than just a power bank. I like that. That's it for the box. So we have, looks like, a little carrying case. Very nice. Even branded with their logo. Gotta love that. And then this is the power bank. So we have a little user's manual, helpful. Here is the power bank. So here's the beauty of this power bank versus some of the other ones. First off, it plugs directly into the wall to charge. So you just plug it in and you're charging up your power bank. Second, it has cables on each side. This is a lightning cable for an iPhone device like an iPad, iPhone, etc. This is a micro USB as well as a USB-C cable. So you have those options to charge your devices with. And then there's also a USB-C in here, so that way, if you don't want to use this to charge up your battery bank, you can plug you in a USB-C cable to charge it here. Then there's also a full USB-A outlet here, as well as the power button. So like if I hold this button to cut it on, it came with 72% charge, and if I wanted to charge something, like for instance, this iPad, I'd just take this lightning cable, plug it into the bottom of my iPad, and it's at 72%, and it's charging. My iPad's completely dead, but it's now charging my iPad through this power bank. Absolutely love it. That'll essentially do it for this power bank. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Really an amazing item, and considering that it's all in one package, you really don't have to carry anything else with you because you can charge this, you have your cables here, just the perfect power bank, and 20,000 milliamp hours is going to last you a good while. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.